Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Now tap on Face section at the top right corner and enter your current login method. Finally, read all of the instructions from the screen and hit continue. Remember to keep your face in frame. Following that, you can tap on this sweater next to Rise to Wake to switch it off or on. Then select Done. Adjust all of those options however you want to, if you want to, and tap on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!